And it looks like I'm live now. Welcome to our channel. My name is Oral Mackenzie, and in this live stream, I'm going to share with you my personal best settings for OBS streaming onto YouTube or any other platform that you want to stream on. I'm going to share with you my personal best settings. In fact, I'm actually live streaming to you now. So you can test the quality and tell me if you're getting a good stream, and I'm going to share the settings that I'm using right now with you. You know, I like sharing my knowledge with you because I strongly believe that knowledge is power and I want to empower you all. So if it's your first time here, I love for you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video. If you're always wondering how exactly you can set up your OBS properly to get a good quality live stream, then this video is definitely for you. So all you have to do is just stay tuned. Now, if you have any other questions as it relates to any social media platform, whether it want to be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Google with a little search engine optimization, you can put your comments in the chat section of this live stream, and as soon as I'm complete this tutorial, I will get over to your messages and start answering them. And if you're watching and you have a YouTube channel, you can just say your name in the chat and I will sure to give you a shout out as soon as I'm finished with the tutorial. So let me get straight into this tutorial right now. So as you can see, I'm already into my OBS. I won't be allowed to change anything because I'm actually using it to live stream to YouTube to you right now. So first of all, you know you'd have to add your scene over here, and my scene is recording. And you add text, this pretty text that you see that is running down the bottom. I have a video on OBS best settings that can show you how to add that text, so you can go ahead and watch that. And I have my webcam right here, and I have my display capture, and I have ticker right here, and of course my window capture. So to add a scene, all you have to do is come here and click the plus button. And to add any one of these scenes, all you'd have to do is same thing, to come here and click the plus button. So I'm not going to waste any more time as it relates to that. What I want to get into is the settings. So if I come over here and I click on settings, and it will come up like this. This is what it's going to look like. So if you want, the language is normally English, and if you're watching this, I think you want your language to remain to be English, because that means you speak English once you're understanding what I'm saying. So the team is default team, but I like the default team. But for the gamers and other persons, they like the black team. So you can actually just change it. So if you come here and click dark, and let me just bring this down, dark, and then you just click apply and click OK. If you choose dark, this is what it will look like. But I'm not going to apply this. So I'm just going to go back to the regular team because I like the regular team. So I just go default, and that's what the default team look like. And you know, for live streaming, let me show you quickly about streaming. You notice I can't change anything right here because I'm live streaming to you right now. But if you want to know what your streaming should look like, this is what it should look like. Up here you would have custom stream server, and the URL, that is what you're going to copy from YouTube and paste it right in here. And your stream key, you're going to also copy that and paste it right in here. So let me get into the most important part, which is the output. What you are outputting, that is what is going to affect the quality that you put out. So let me go over to output. And if you notice again, in the output, I'm streaming, so I'm not allowed to change anything. But the first thing you want to do is to come up here, and where you have output mode, you want to select advanced. So ensure that your mode is in advanced. Then right here where you have streaming, the audio track, I'm using #1 audio track right now. And you can just comment and tell me if my audio is okay, if it's accurate. So I'm using #1 audio, but you can have different audio settings save if you're going to allow to use different mics. You can have up to 6. The encoder, you want to ensure that encoder it is at 264, and you want to click the ticket right here near that said enforce stream server encoder settings. Right here where you have the rescale output, that should be 1280 720. That's the best output to whether Facebook or whether YouTube. I'm not sure about Twitch, but I think this should be fine for Twitch also. But to change it to something that you think is more suitable, you can click the drop down arrow right here and change it. Now, the rate control, you should ensure that it is as CBR and no other rate control. So ensure that it is as CBR. Now, the byte rate, the byte rate, this is depending on the speed of the internet that you're using, your download and your upload speed. For me, I have a pretty decent speed, so that's why I put my one to be 3500. But if you're not sure of your upload and download speed, you can actually check that on the internet using internet speed tester. I'm actually going to show you exactly how to do that very quickly. So let me just go to my browser right here, and I'm going to go over to this page. And if you notice, this is the URL. You just type it in beta.speedtest.net, and I'm actually in the result already. So just type that in, or just type in internet speed test in Google, and it will bring you to one of these online speed tester. And you notice that my ping is 6 ms. My download speed is 81.73 megabytes per second. And also my upload speed is 54.54 megabytes per second. So this is a really good speed. So you should be getting a good quality streaming from me. Now, if your upload speed is anything less than 3 megabytes per second, you're gonna have a problem. So maybe you want to speak to the internet provider and have them increase your internet speed. Now, I've checked this a little while ago, so I'm just going to check it one more time to ensure that it is correct. So I'm just going to click again to show you guys that it actually works. And I'm just going to wait for it to load. It's actually going to test my internet speed once more. So it might take a little while because I'm live streaming to you, but let me see how good of an internet speed I have. So it's loading. I'm just waiting for it to finish. So it's going to start testing my download speed anytime now. So here we go, and it's testing my download speed. It is not completed as yet. It's moving a little slower than normal because I'm actually using it to live stream to you. So it's still going. It's saying I have 32. And notice my download speed dropped because I'm live streaming to you. So it dropped to 28.4 megabytes per second, and my upload speed is also going to be dropped because I'm actually using up a lot of the internet to live stream to you. And my upload speed also dropped. So this is how you can actually test the internet speed to see how good internet you have, and this is very important for you to be able to live stream. So let me go back to my OBS and continue showing you the real setup for live stream. So head over back to OBS. So you wanted to, if your internet streaming is not working properly and it's buffering and giving another problem, what you can do is to bring it down to a lower number. But mine is okay with that. And I don't use custom buffer size. I don't use that one. Right here where you have keyframe interval seconds, I think you want that to be at 2, but it should be nothing. I think you can't go over 4 with this. Is you're gonna have keyframe interval problems. So let it remain at 2. And where you have CPU usage preset, higher equal lesser CPU. I'm using ultra fast because I want my stream to be good, but I don't think you should use anything less than super fast or very fast, depending on the computer that you're using. This have to do with the speed of your computer. Okay, this have to do with your CPU. So if your computer is not that slow, it's not that fast, then use ultra. But my computer is not that fast, but it's not that slow. So, but ultra work good for me. And with this OBS streaming thing, all you have to do is to play around with it. Once you play around with it, you will actually get a real comfortable setting for your PC. And the profile I'm using, the main profile, and the tune is Fleming. And you don't think you should change anything right here because I haven't changed anything. When you finish all you do, you click apply, click OK. And that's basically my best OBS stream settings for you guys. That's actually the best settings I use to provide you with good stream quality. So I'm going to check over in the chat now and see if you guys have any questions for me. If not, I'm just going to end this live stream. So I'm heading over to the chat. And I'm not seeing anybody saying anything to the chat in the chat. So thank you guys. Since you guys have no questions for me, I'm going to end this live stream. So thank you all for watching. And if you're not subscribed to our channel as yet, if it's your first time here, I'd love for you to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any more of our upcoming videos. Hit the like button and share this video. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.